A silver alert has been issued for Pinal County. This is the Arizona Department of Public Safety. The Pinal County Sheriff's Department is looking for 90-year-old Joseph Zahora. Joseph is a white male, 5 feet 10 inches tall, 205 pounds, with brown eyes and gray hair. Joseph was last seen wearing jeans, a plaid shirt, and a tan jacket. Joseph was last seen leaving his residence in Gold Canyon heading towards Highway 60 at 3 p.m. driving his 2008 red Chrysler Sebring with the Arizona license plate 160RDC. Please contact the Pinal County Sheriff's Department or 911 with any information. If you have contact with the silver alert, please call 911. Monitor TV and radio for updates.